Got a naked rock star on the NQ. Almost before I could say anything, it was a +5. I put the trade on and looked at the chart and then looked back at the dome and it was gone. I'm like, oh God, what happened? This is our naked rock star. Look how hard it's dropping here. Look how strong the potential for exhaustion is. Got dark bars, got oversold, got a pullback alert here and a speed tick here, open of this bar, and a rock star. Now, this is ideally you'd want to get in here, but what happened here on this one is immediately when it opened, it dropped. So by the time I got on it, it was down here, and so it didn't have far to go before I got my +5. Maybe you're on this one. Same thing. This bar oversold. Now, this is a good naked rock star because see, it's outside of our arrows. Inside here, between these arrows, we're not going to take this trade. Outside, we're going to. This is saying that there's that it's broken outside of the zone, which is more like an oversold kind of condition. So we got two winning rock stars, one right after the other. Or naked rock stars. We call those naked because there's no support or resistance behind them. Alright, so we got another rock star on the 6E. Got a decent fill when it backed up a little bit. Now it's a naked rock star. Naked because it has no support line behind it. It would be a regular rock star if this line was behind it right here. But without that line, it's a naked rock star. And it qualifies because it was oversold, had a pullback alert, and then the rock star. And it's outside of these arrows. And I got to +4. Didn't quite get to +5. All right, +5.